Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to use Hostinger AI to sell digital products. This is the digital products I've created in this video. And without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on this add website button and select Hostinger website builder. Here you can create your website using the help of Hostinger AI or use pre-made templates. For this video, I will go with pre-made templates. So my brand name is, for example, Coloring Ninja. And for my website description, I will go with, for example, create me an online store where I can sell my coloring books. As you see, this is a great description, and Hostinger suggests adding an online store to my site. So yes, click on create a website and wait a moment. And this is the result I got using this simple prompt. If you are not satisfied with this result, just click on create again button, readjust your description and hit create a website again. And when you get a second and third and fourth results, if you want to switch to the first result, just click on version history and switch between your versions from here. You can also view your website in the mobile version, and you can change your website colors from here by selecting a different color palette. Now, when you are satisfied with your result, click on this continue button. And now I want straight to my store management area. So let's switch back to the website builder. And this is the website I got in Hostinger website builder. Now click on to publish this website, just click on go live. And let's view my website live. This is the website in details. This is the online store section, the reviews section, and the footer section. Now I use this long temporary domain name to connect your own domain. Just go to hpanel.hostinger.com, go to websites, click on, and next to your new website, click on these three dots and select connect domain. Here, fill in your domain name, benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on it. Hit next. As you see, domain added to your website. Click on continue. Here, Hostinger skipped a simple step, which is pointing my domain to Hostinger by updating my domain name servers. This step is very easy. If you don't know how to update your domain name using Hostinger name servers, just go to my channel, search for connect domain name Hostinger, and you will see this tutorial. It is simple and will explain this for you in step by step. Now that my domain is connected to my website, click on edit website button. And now let's create our first digital product. So switch to the manage store area. Go to products, click on add product, select digital product. Here you can upload your photos or your product photos and let AI generate product details for you, or upload your images and fill in the product details like title and description manually. I will give the AI a try. Those are my two photos. Instead of uploading them all at once, I recommend you to first upload the best describing photo to help AI gives you correct product details. Because here, if I upload this photo, it may call it, for example, how to paint or something like that. So this is a best describing photo. So I will start with it first. Because as you see, Hostinger base its text generation. As you see, now comfortable armchair. Perfect for your cozy reading nook experience. So as you see, Hostinger, I didn't nail this time. No worries, I will upload my second photo. You can still give it another try by placing another photo first and hit generate production details. Cozy armchair, comfortable sitting. So Hostinger didn't get my product idea. So I will place my white coloring photo first. And here I will use my own title and description. This is my title, hand-drawn coloring book for all ages. The description. Here in the description, you can generate it using AI by clicking on this button, AI text editor. You can rephrase, lengthen, shorten, check grammar, change tone, and free write. You can also add photos in your description by hitting this photo icon. Click on add media, download or upload your photo, click insert. As you see, it was added here. You can even add a YouTube video in your description. Just click on this YouTube icon and fill in your YouTube link and hit insert. Same thing, your YouTube video will be added here. Now for pricing, you can go with an amount or free. Let's go with an amount. For example, the original price is $10 or 25 and the discounted price is only 7. You can use an SKU if you have a stocking keeping unit system. You can also track quantity, but since this is a digital download, I think this is not will not use it. Now upload your digital product here. Click on upload files and select your digital product files. Here you can, the maximum total size for all files should not exclude 100 megabytes. If your file is larger than that, you can add an external link, and you can use supported links like Google Drive, Dropbox, and so on. Now you can set your download link expiration for 24 hours, 48, 7 days, or 30 days. I will keep it 48 hours. Here in the additional info section, you can add more information that will show up below the add to back button. Click on add info section. For example, I will use this info section, grade 4. Click on save. Let's add a second info section. What's included? Here you can reply to questions that your customers or potential customers may think of. Now that I've inserted or added my additional info sections, let's jump to the custom field. Here you can enable customers to personalize their products by adding a custom text on it. For example, you can ask them, what message would you like to engrave on your product? But for digital products, I don't think this is useful, so I will skip it. In the categories, I highly recommend you to use categories to keep managing your to manage your online store. Here the AI suggests this category name, coloring books. You can go with it or add your own one. For example, I will go with, for example, easy coloring book and hit add. Now your new category is assigned successfully, and here in the related products, you can show related products or not. I recommend you to show related products to help with a bigger average order value. Here you can call your section, you can give your related product section a title. For example, you may also like, and here you can select from which category on your store you want to show related products. You can go with a specific category or all products. I will go with all products and now hit save. As you see, your changes aren't live yet. You need to publish your website to publish this product. Click on publish in editor and then update website. Let's view my website live. Let's go to the shop. And this is my new digital product in my online store. Click on it. And this is the product page. This is my title. I think I didn't use a subtitle. It should show up here below the title in a smaller text. This is the original price, the discounted price, add to back button. And these are the additional info sections I've added. This is how they look like. And here, this is my product photos. And this is my product description, the photo I've added and also the video. And below all of this, you will see the related products section with my title you may also like. Now let's give this product, let's try to purchase this product. Click on add to bag. This is the shopping bag. Click on checkout. And just like that, we can't accept online orders right now. Don't worry, this is not a big issue. Hostinger here requires having a shipping option and also a payment method added. So let's add both of those to fix this issue. Go back to the website builder, switch to the manager store area. Let's start with shipping option. Click on settings, go to shipping, click on create zone, name your shipping zone. For example, since I ship worldwide, I will call it international shipping. And here I will add countries. You can add specific countries or go with select all, every available country. Click on save. And now automatically Hostinger adds this regular shipping option, which is free. If you want to add a paid shipping option, click on add option, give it a name and a shipping rate and hit add. Now let's go to the payments page to enable a payment method. Here I will delete Morocco. I will go with United States in order to get better payments gateways or payment methods. With United States, you get the local Go, PayPal, Stripe, and also the manual payment or cash payment method. I will connect my PayPal account. Click on connect. Click on next. Then log into your PayPal account. You're all set. Now let's return to Hostinger website. And just like that, I have a PayPal payment method added to my online store. Now let's check the shopping experience on this online store. Before that, I will make this product free because I don't want to use my credit card on my own online store. So go to products, click on the products and go with free. Click on save and always update your website. Now let's refresh this page. As you see, now it is free. Click on add to bag, checkout. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is the total due is $0. Fill in your email address, your name, and country. Select a state, hit continue. Thank you for your order. Here they check your email to download the digital product. Note that the email is sent when payment is completed. Here Hostinger skipped the payment method step because my product was for free. And after just I think 3 to 5 seconds, I have received my order download link. This is the first email. Color Ninja, my online store name. Your download is ready. Below you will find a link to download the files. This is the file or the product title. The link will last for 48 hours. Click on download file or this button. And this is this is my digital product. And this is the second file. Now I can save this digital file. And for the second email, your order has been confirmed. Your order from Codarel Ninja is confirmed. This is my order details. This is the total price, the quantity, the product title, and the date. Now let's check our online store management area. Go to store, manage store. Go to orders, and this is my order. Click on it. As you see, it was fulfilled automatically because this is a digital product. The both digital product title, the number, and the price. Also the customer details like the name, address, and email address. Here, as you see, you can create an invoice. This is a preview of the invoice. And from more actions, you can download receipt or archive this order. And this is how to use Hostinger website builder to sell digital products. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.